You know there is a term called Wonky effect, right? You know what is a Wonky effect? Let me tell you. A few days back, I was traveling. Like I was dropping my family. It was a family function, so I had to drop my family in my relative's house. So it was a village countryside, and I was coming back. So it was late night, around 11:30 in the night. So it was a drizzling, and I was driving the car alone. Since it was a countryside, there was no street light, there was no network coverage. So it was a very remote area. And as I was driving, I saw a girl standing on the roadside with a bike. Now, you know, men are always men. If there was a guy standing there, do you think I will stop my car? No, I wouldn't do that, right? Since it was a girl, I stopped the car and I asked her, sister, what is the problem? Why are you standing here alone? She told me, Anna, my bike is without fuel. I need petrol. Can you drop me to the nearest petrol station or nearest highway so that I can take a taxi or auto and bring the petrol? Now I was very afraid. You know, that is not a good idea to accommodate, to give a lift to a girl on midnight. So I told I was feeling fishy. Then I told, no, that's not a good idea. You stand here. I will go to the petrol bunk and I will bring some fuel. Since it was drizzling, I gave her my umbrella and she was standing. So she was insisting, I will come. I told, no, you stop here. You stand here. I will go to the petrol bunk and I'll bring the fuel. Then as I moved slightly, I noted the bike number, and one of my classmate was working in police, Tamil Nadu police. So he is into this thing. What is that? Highway patrol, right? So I gave him the number. I called him, Machan, this is the number. Can you check this number? So as I was driving, I was kind of uncomfortable. I knew something was wrong. Okay. So I was driving. I had a 1 liter Bisleri bottle. I poured the water outside, then took some petrol. And as I was driving back, my friend called me. So he told, where did you get this number? I told the whole incident, and he told that bike was stolen 1 month back. You imagine. Then I asked him what to do. You just drive slowly. By the meantime, I will send some cop to the area. So as I was driving slowly, as I reached there, not only that girl, there was another guy also standing there. So I approached them and asked them, what is the problem? Who are you? Who the heck are you? I asked. She told me, he is my brother, so he is going to... he just was in search of petrol. He went nearby, that and this. She was bluffing. Then as the cop came in mufti, then caught her, then it turned out to be that girl and this guy was a ATM thief. They have stolen more than 12 or not 12, maybe 7 or 8 lakhs from a ATM. So that news came in the paper and all, and my friend called me and he told thanks and all. In fact, he got some increment and money from the HO, police department. Now, this is, why am I saying this? Because this is called Wonky effect, right? Things may look normal. And why am I saying this? Things may look normal, but we might be curious to jump into conclusions, and we might think everything is normal, looking at what the market has done today, today's price action. So from yesterday, you see this, if you see this chart, you can understand. This is what I don't know what words I can put, I don't know. From yesterday's, from day before yesterday's high, 16,400, yesterday's low, 15,700, now we are sitting at 16,300. Now, what do you think has happened in the last two trading sessions? Has the numbers changed? Economic numbers, macroeconomic numbers have changed? No, the same number. Still inflations are high. Still Russia-Ukraine issue is happening. And even they are talking about China-Taiwan issue nowadays. So things have not changed. The same macroeconomic data, what we had is still the same. But markets are swinging from 16,400 to 15,700. And we are sitting now at 16,300. This is the kind of volatility, and this is called Wonky effect. things may look perfect, but it is not at all perfect. And let me tell you, not because I have lost money, not because I am into trading, like I have stopped trading. Now you tell me, imagine had I taken a trade yesterday, looking at this price action, yesterday's price action, okay, market has gone to 15,700, we will short the market now. What would have happened? I would have lost more today. Looking at today's price action, gap up of around 100 points, moving more than 200 or 350 points, 400 points move from yesterday's close to today's close. Nifty has gone up by 400 points. This is absolute madness. I don't know how to explain or what words to put in the market. So this is called Wonky effect. I am telling you, why am I saying all these incidents is because markets may look good, but it is not. Number has not changed. Numbers have not changed. Macroeconomic data has not changed. Still we are in bearish territory only. Only thing is FIIs have just taken their hands off the sell button. Once they hit it again, they are going to, I'm telling you, this time they are going to hit it very hard. And I don't know how many people are going to suffer from this FIIs. Now the FII data has not yet come. So let me check if FIIs have, NSE has updated the FII data, and I don't think, till now they have not updated the FII data. And even if you see the open interest, things are not as good as like both the calls and puts are equally written. There is no short covering, or the people have not exited the calls. Calls are still active only. Only the put have increased. Now you need a very, very positive news for the markets to go up. But where is the positive news? There is no positive news at all. In fact, I am hearing only bad news, and our people in our group are talking many things. Maybe China, India issue is coming. That's why FIIs are exiting the market. I've been hearing all kinds of rumors and speculation and conspiracy theory in our Telegram group, in our app also, right? So as of now, I can tell you, I have not traded. Yesterday, when I squared off all the position, I am not in the market. I'm not trading. I didn't trade today. So Monday also, maybe this till this May expiry, we will wait. If market goes above 16,800 and sustains above 16,800, then we will decide. Other than that, I don't think markets have changed drastically. Maybe there is a big swings up and down here and there, but things are same like what it was 1 week back or 10 days back. So going forward, things may change. You don't jump into conclusion. This is just a wonky effect. Don't jump into conclusion and don't try to go long in the market. Of course, this is my own opinion, my personal opinion. I can go wrong also, like what has happened yesterday. I went terribly wrong yesterday, right? So things may change. So wait for some times, and if the market goes above 16,800 or 17,000, then you may jump and go long in the market, or even you can do some put selling or whatever trade you want to take, you can take. But be cautious. Markets are highly volatile. Even I'll tell you, many traders have lost, many positional traders have lost, and we are sitting in heavy profit, heavy losses. So we don't know when these things are going to stabilize, or when the market is going to stabilize. Still the market is stabilizing. We'll have to see these kind of big gap ups and gap downs. Even when the India VIX is above 25, below 25, markets are moving like this, heavy gap ups and gap downs. If India VIX is above 25, you think how the market is going to react. And taking overnight position is suicidal now. You take any overnight position. Wednesday we took a overnight position. Market screwed us badly, and had we taken an overnight position yesterday, market would have screwed us even more badly. So these are the market scenario now. So it is better to stay away the market. Try to do intraday trades. At least you will be safer. Don't take positional trades. That's what I am thinking. So let's see how things pan out. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.